Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Iveco Daily Light Tail Car Transporter. This Iveco is covered under manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer of Guardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree-sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is the 72-180, which is a 7.2 gross ton weight and 180 horsepower, and it's equipped with a Hi-Matic transmission with 8 gears. It comes with a business trim level and is being fitted with extra lights over the front, a beacon over the roof, and obviously a light tail open car transporter. As part of the business trim, you get LED daytime running lights and fog lights over the front bumper, heated and electrically adjustable ultra-wide angle mirrors, a winch capable of 4 tons of pulling force, which is also the payload of this vehicle. You also have 2 storage units with safety locks, each of them 40 liters of capacity, really useful to store Oriole tours. You also have extra working lights at the back and ratchet straps over the sides to secure your vehicles. Over the rear, you also have a stowage unit for the 2 extension aluminum ramps. The aluminum ramps extend by 245 centimeters, and you have a ground clearance at the first bifurcation of 18 centimeters to allow a good and smooth gradient to load any vehicle onto the tow truck, which has a 600 centimeters long bed area with 227 centimeters of width. To help out jump starting any vehicle that may need to go onto this truck, you also have a quick connector for the jump starting cables, and you also have a quick isolator to turn off the winch. The winch is also equipped with both a wireless controller and a remote wired controller. The vehicle is fitted in a 3-seat configuration and is also equipped with the High Adaptive package, which is the driver's seat with lumbar support and weight adjustment support. The driver's seat is also fitted with an adjustable armrest, while the 2 passenger seats have adjustable headrest and a stowage unit onto their base. The vehicle is also being equipped with a security immobilizer key to allow you to start it only after you plug it in. The multifunction steering wheel is adjustable in depth and height and houses the controls for the trip computer and voice commands, and cruise control over the right with speed limiter. Over the left hand side you have the classic stalk for the lighting, and over the right for the wipers. While on the driver armrest you have the controls for the electrically adjustable mirrors and power windows. The infotainment unit is a DAB radio with Bluetooth capability and USB plus 3.5 jack mm audio input, and the right hand side USB port is also a quick charging capability USB Type A. Under the infotainment you can find all the air conditioning controls, and underneath you can find the lane departure warning and heated mirror toggle. On top of the dashboard you have more controls for the fog lights, adjusting of the height of the beam, the city mode power steering, and the electronic stability program toggle. Below the center of the dashboard you have the tachometer integrated by Iveco, and then the controls for the extra lights that have been fitted to the vehicle, plus the internal isolator for the winch, and a switch for the flash pattern of the lighting. This vehicle is fitted with an automatic transmission with 8 gears, plus 2 extra gears with a lower ratio. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Iveco Daily Single Car Transporter. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.